Today we're going to bring a backpack. Not just a regular backpack, it's actually for bikers. It could carry helmet and a bunch of other things in here. So we're going to demo today. I'm actually showing you guys the actual backpack. If you guys can see sideways, front. So I'm going to show you everything I filled in this backpack. And if you're going to be riding a bike, maybe this is the right backpack for you. So I'm going to show you what's included and what to look out for and what also you can do with it. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what you get. All right, let's go ahead and take off the backpack. I'm gonna take the backpack off and I'm gonna show you what I did, all right? So first of all, look at this. Big backpack, 17 by probably 7 or 8 and a half, 14 inches by 7 3/4, all right? So that's how much space you have, cubic space of adding things in here. So first of all, if you guys notice, it does have a mesh, a net, and this is pretty much for the helmet, right? And this transforms back into a mesh. You got your large helmet, so if you could fit this type of helmet, pretty much fit any type of other helmet. So once you get this mesh going, you tuck it back in here where it just popped out right here. You see the zipper right here? Enter it in here, close it. You saw one helmet. All right, now we're gonna open and see the rest of the contents that we get in here. I got another helmet here, so if you have an extra rider, another helmet. I do have a large backpack, or laptop, large laptop for the large backpack, and then my sweater. So everything, and then side pockets that you have. So I'm going to show you the inside and the outside of the actual system and what also is included that I really like about it. First of all, it has a wide mouth. If you guys can see, it opened up really wide because you could actually fit a huge helmet in here. They have that extra cushion in here. I thought it was like a bag or something, but it's actually for the actual helmet to be embedded in here. It won't scratch or hit anything that you have in here. Like I have my laptop, and I was trusting that not to hit the laptop or break the laptop, which is perfect. Especially if you're riding a bike, this is going to be cushioning pretty much your whole ride. Now, you do have internal pocket in here with a mesh, so you can have your wallet, other associated things, maybe your phone. It does have a plug here because it does have you actually add a charging station for it, so you go charge items on the outside. It has a large mouth for any type of laptop. I have a 17-inch monitor laptop that you put in here. Additional pocket in here on the inside, and then water bottle on the side. Many pockets in here. You could even use the mesh pocket that we have. You have another pocket on the outside, which is in here for simple access. And this is where you want to put your registration and other stuff ready to go. Now, one of the best things I like about it, it has the actual lighting part. This is for night riders. They're strips. There are light reflectors, all right? So you're going to be able to see them pretty much in a lot of little corners, even on the top, if you guys can see a light reflector here. It has a tie-in for center. This is for your chest tie, all right? And then it does have a strap that you could even set it up so it could be more stronger on one end or the other end. If it's too tight for you, loosen it up. It does have extra cushions in the back, 3 cushions here, 1, 2, and 3. Set up a smaller helmet here, open the strap, get the netting out, and you have 2 straps in the back. These 2 straps are gonna come in play. Helmet goes facing down, all right? Helmet straps over the back. Unbuckle the back one. Clip it, and you also have an extra clip here, right? Got that one. Then you get this one here. You get this one here, and that's pretty much, that's a smaller helmet, but you saw the larger one I got out. Your external battery, you plug it in, all right? Now, some batteries go fall asleep, so just to be sure that, you know, you got to make sure you plug it in. Now, there's plenty of pockets in here, so it won't be loose. You can put it in the back if you want. Plug it in place, all right? And I wouldn't plug this in when you're riding a bike, of course, all right? So all you got to do is plug it in. Make sure your battery is on, all right? If you don't have your battery on, there it is, starts plugging in automatically. It's perfect for every type of helmet that you want to put in here. On top of that, you could add a smaller helmet in the inside. If you have a second rider, have your laptop, your food, your snacks, your things, that your clothing, pretty much anything in here that you want to drive. You go to a grocery store, you could perfect big wide angle of a backpack that you could add anything you want in here, and including all your helmets and your needs on it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.